Hello students, welcome to Smarter Engineer. Today our topic is MIDI in multimedia system. MIDI, that is Musical Instrument Digital Interface. In our previous lecture series, we have already learned about the different animation technique, hypertext, hypermedia, and also sampling, quantization, etc. Now today we will discuss about the audio multimedia system, and MIDI is very important among them, and you will get a sure marks question in your semester from here. So let's start. But before beginning, I want to tell you that we will discuss what is MIDI, how does it works with an example, and also the block diagram, which is very much important, and at last the advantage and disadvantage of MIDI over digital audio file. This is also very much important for your exam. So what is MIDI? MIDI is a protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is set of rules. So MIDI actually is set of rules or protocol for connecting digital synthesizers to each other or to digital computer. And it is not a musical instrument. Remember, this is not a musical instrument. MIDI is a protocol to connect digital synthesizers or instruments to each other or to digital computer. Okay. Many people actually misunderstand that this is a musical instrument. But no, this is entirely wrong, totally wrong. MIDI is a protocol. So MIDI provides a very low bandwidth alternative on the web and transmit musical and certain sound effects data. Actually, it gives the sound effects data. Okay. And MIDI provides a very low bandwidth. We will discuss this later. What is the usefulness of this? It is just a digital interface for musical equipment. It is a protocol designed for recording and playing back music. Actually, if you ever seen a recording room, then you can see the singer or playback singers or with instrumental play, everything is done inside a room, recording room, and outside of that room there are several people with the connections with a MIDI and with a software on the laptop or PC. So this is how this actually happens. They actually connects all the instruments together, also playback sing with the instrument together, and they produce the final output. Like Photoshop, in Photoshop, what you have done earlier, you edited some pictures and you can get the raw version like .psd file. Here also you can get .midi file, which is the raw version of that musical file. But if you convert this MIDI file once into the MP3 file or MP4 or something like that, then you can't get back the original file, and you can't change. If you want to change requirements, if you want to change the sound of flutes and you want to insert the violin, then you can't do it in MP3, but you can't do it if this is in MIDI file format. Okay, so MIDI is a connectivity standard for understanding the digital instrument data. Clear? So MIDI on the web, very low bandwidth, that's why we use it, few of 100k bytes. The responsibility of producing sound is moved to the client. Synthesizer module, sample, sound card, software generated, etc. Now MIDI, as I have told earlier, MIDI is a protocol that enables the computer, synthesizer, keyboards and other musical device to communicate. Here is an example or picture. You can see MIDI keyboard controller. This is a MIDI keyboard controller, from where MIDI out and goes to MIDI in the MIDI sound module. So keyboard is connected with MIDI sound module. Not only keyboard, but also there are so many instruments can be connected with the MIDI sound module. Clear? So this is an example of PC based MIDI system. You can see here is a PC, and where typical application software, MIDI sequencer, music scoring, games, multimedia presentation package, educational package, etc. From here MIDI in goes to sound module, multi-timbral sound module, and MIDI out is here. Then from sound module it goes to audio out to the speakers. So this is a PC based MIDI system. Here you can see the MIDI sequencer, music scoring also, and how the PC is connected with the powered speakers. Now come to the next slide, that is component of a MIDI system. What are the component of MIDI system? The first and foremost important is synthesizer. It is a sound generator, various pitch, loudness, tone. I will discuss this pitch, loudness, tone. These are individually very important aspects of sound. This actually define the sound quality. How your sound quality will be, that depends upon this pitch, loudness and tone. Suppose the pitch of a sound is E major, E minor. If you have a minimum sense of playing guitar or something like that, you can understand that, or playing any kind of instrument, you can understand what is C major, what is E minor, like that. I will discuss it in my next lecture series, that what are the different characteristics of sound, that is pitch, loudness, tone, etc. And good musicians, synthesizer often has a microprocessor, keyboard, control panel, memory, etc. A good synthesizer must have the microprocessor, keyboard, control panel, etc. So next is sequencer. What is sequencer? It can be standalone unit or a software program for a personal computer or PC. It used to be a storage server for MIDI data. Nowadays it is more a software music editor on the computer. Okay, sequencer actually is more a software music editor on the computer. It has one or more MIDI in and MIDI out. One thing you must have to remember, that the MIDI console must have one MIDI in and at least one MIDI out, so that from any device it can be connected as MIDI in to the console, and from the console it must go a MIDI out to the output device, that is maybe a speaker or something like that. So this is how it occurs, how it happens. Next, track. What is track? Just think about the musical journey. Suppose Arijit Singh is singing a concert or recording something. He is not alone, but he has hands. He has many more musical instruments with him. Whenever the recorder or records the man outside of record studio actually recording his song, he has several tracks. He has different tracks. He creates actually different tracks for different instrument, and one track is only for Arijit Singh playback voice. That's it. Each and everything must record in different track, but not in the same track. Why? Because after the recording, if they want, they can change whatever instrument or whatever portion they actually wants to change or delete or edit, and after editing they release the song as mp3. After that anyone can't change that. Clear how editing is done? You are not listening the original Arijit Singh's recording voice. We are actually listening the editing voice and the editing of his instruments. That's it. Tracking sequencer is used to organize the recording. Actually, to organize. Obviously, this organize. Tracks can be turned on or off on recording or playing back. You can turn on or turn off. Maximum time it is turned on. Now, components of a MIDI system. Next, channel and timbre. MIDI channels are used to separate information in a MIDI system. There are 16 MIDI channels. This is very much important for your MCQ exam. There are 16 MIDI channels in one cable. Channel numbers are coded into each MIDI message. So there are 16 MIDI channels and channel numbers must be coded into each MIDI message. And timbre, what is timbre? The quality of the sound, that is flute sound, cello sound, etc. That is called timbre. Multitimbral means capable of playing many different sounds at the same time. Example, piano, brass, drums, guitar, etc. That is called multitimbral, if capable of playing many different sounds at the same time. The quality of the sound, example, flute sound, etc. Next, pitch, voice and patch. Musical note. Pitch is musical note that the instrument plays. I have already told you what is pitch. E major, C minor, like that. You have to scale your instrument in this pitch according to the playback voice. What is voice? Voice is the portion of synthesizer that produces the sound. Voice actually produces the sound. Synthesizer can have many 12, 20, 24, 36, etc. voices. Each voice works independently and simultaneously to produce sounds of different timbre and pitch. Now what is patch? The control settings that defines a particular timbre is called a patch. The control settings that defines a particular timbre, that is called patch. Now, what are the hardware aspects of MIDI? MIDI in, MIDI out, MIDI through. These are the hardware aspects of MIDI. That is MIDI connectors. They are actually belongs to MIDI connectors. MIDI connectors are hardware aspects. 3 5-pin ports found on the back of every MIDI unit. MIDI in, the connector via which the device receives all MIDI data. MIDI out, the connector through which the device transmits all the MIDI data. and MIDI through, the connector by which the device echo the data received from MIDI in. Echo the data means it actually provide to other instrument or other output device. So MIDI in, MIDI out and MIDI through, very important. Now what are MIDI message? MIDI message are used by MIDI device to communicate with each other. MIDI messages are very low bandwidth, note on command, which key is pressed, which MIDI channel, etc. Note of command, etc. Now the structure of MIDI message, how it looks like. MIDI message includes a status byte and up to 2 data bytes. One status byte and up to 2 data bytes. The most significant bit of status byte is set to 1. Okay, the 4 low order bits identify which channel it belongs to and the 3 remaining bits identify the message. You don't have to remember this very much. Actually, they will ask you about the MIDI hardware aspects or write a short note on MIDI and advantage and disadvantage of MIDI over digital audio, etc. like that. Now, classification of MIDI message. MIDI message are channel message and system message. We can classify into 2 types, channel message and system message. What are the channel message? Voice message, mode message. And what are the system message? Common message, real time message, exclusive message. This is visible, right? So these are the MIDI message. 2 types, channel message, system message, and then channel message is divided into voice and mode message, and system message into common, real time and exclusive message. So MIDI channel message, what are these? Channel voice message, what I have just told you. Channel, this is not so important, so I can skip it actually. Real time message, I also can skip it. Now this is very important, digital audio and MIDI. There are many applications of digital audio and MIDI being used together. Modern recording studio, hard disk recording and MIDI, analog sound, live vocal, guitar, etc., disc, keyboard, drum, samples, loop effect, etc. Sound generators, synthesis, sample, sampler, okay, digitize sound, then playback, loop, etc. Digital audio, synthesis, MIDI and compression, MPG4. Structured audio. You know what is MPG? I have already discussed in my previous lecture series, and I will give the description box the link of the MPG. Basic idea of compression used as an integral part of audio format, MP3 real audio. Actually, after MIDI message, MIDI file generated, we are going to compress it into MP3 or something like that. I have already told you. MPG4 audio or MP3, MPG4 means Moving Picture Expert Group actually combines compression synthesis and MIDI. MIDI synthesis encode what note to play and how to play it with a small number of parameters. So this all about the MIDI or musical instrument digital interface. So what is MIDI? This is a protocol, set of rules, and how it actually works. It is not a musical instrument, it is just a protocol, a set of rules, and it is a protocol designed for recording and playing back music. MIDI is a connecting standard, okay, for digital instrument data like that. And you have already seen the examples how actually this works, and what are the different hardware aspects of MIDI, what are the MIDI and digital audio, how they are connected with each other. But we have not discussed here the advantage and disadvantage of MIDI over digital audio. We will discuss this in our next lecture series with the in details the different characteristics of sound like pitch, timbre, etc., note, tone. We have not discussed this in this lecture. So in my next lecture I will try to cover the advantage disadvantage of MIDI, and with that the different characteristics of sound. So that's it. So if you have any query, any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And if you like the video, obviously please share our video with your friends, and do a thumbs up, and so that you can get the notification instantly whenever we publish it. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.